Doc, normal lang po ba talaga magka-body odor ang mga teenagers? Well, during this time po kasi nagkakaroon po sila ng mga hormonal changes kaya mas nagiging active din ang kanilang sweat glands, specifically apocrine glands, which causes body odor. Kaya lang, ito rin ang dahilan kung bakit bumababa ang self-confidence. During puberty po, ang apocrine glands ay nagpo-produce ng thicker, protein-rich sweat which is actually odorless. At kung sinamahan pa po ito ng bacteria from the skin, especially sa mga warm and moist areas, katulad ng kilikili, dito na po magsisimula ang body odor. When it comes to deodorant, BioFresh works through 3 mechanisms. Number 1, binabawasan po nito ang sweat production, keeping the underarm area dry for up to 48 hours. Number 2, pine-prevent po nito ang odor-causing bacteria which is the root cause of body odor. And number 3, ang BioFresh po ay mayroong skin brightening ingredients na tumutulong balansehin ang dark underarm skin over time. This product contains no harsh alcohol, FDA certified po ito at safe sa lahat ng skin types, kasama na ang pregnant women. As a naturopathic doctor, I always prioritize safe and clinically tested products like BioFresh. BioFresh is now offering big discounts on TikTok Shop. Prevention is always better than cure. Stay healthy po!